Automove jobs. By streamlining your workflow with Automove, you ensure that jobs progress without unnecessary delays. This keeps your pipeline organized and allows you to focus on high-value tasks instead of manual updates. While editing a pipeline, you may see the Automove Jobs toggle. Enabling this allows jobs to automatically move from one stage to another once all action items linked to a job have been completed. Automove triggers can include signed contracts to sign, submitted organizers to submit, paid invoices to pay, completed messages with client tasks to check off, and finished firm tasks to mark as completed. To make them appear in a job card, you need to add an appropriate automation. Once the automation is performed, the item is created and linked to a job. This way, it becomes the action item for Automove. All pending action items will be displayed at the top of the job card. This significantly improves efficiency by reducing the need for manual job movement and minimizing administrative work. To make Automove work, there should be at least one action item pending in a stage. Once the required action is completed, the job moves forward automatically. Here's an example. This job is currently in a stage that has a task automation. As you can see on top of the job card, my team needs to complete this linked task to move the job forward. Since it's the only pending element right now, as soon as it's marked as completed, the job will automatically move to the next stage. Action items could be added not only by automations. You can also manually link other elements to a job, and they will also serve as a trigger for Automove. You can link elements simply by opening a job and selecting the entity. A common example is requesting a document signature within a job. Even if the document wasn't originally part of your pipeline, once the client signs it, the job will automatically move forward. So just make sure your Automove toggles are enabled for the stages where you want jobs to move automatically. Then, either add an automation to serve as the trigger or manually link an element such as a document pending client action.